Hi guys, what is up? I am about to make a grocery list because today we are gonna go shopping for a couple of meals for the next couple of days. Breakfast, lunches, maybe dinners. I don't want to overwhelm myself when I'm at the grocery store, so we're gonna make a list right now. I'm gonna make it on my phone. I like to use Google Keep, and then I'll just pick up the list when I'm at the store. We are gonna be hydrated, girlies. If you haven't drank any water today, what are you doing? Go fill your water cup up because we need to stay hydrated. Anyways, les quería decir que quiero hablarles más español en mis videos. Ya sé que tengo tiempo diciéndoles que les voy a hablar español y nada más se me olvida, como que me hago mencita y ya no les hablo español. So tengo que hablarles más español. Aparte de eso, Kevin quiere aprender más español, so si me escucha hablando más español, como que se le va a pegar como Bob Esponja o como una esponja. Bueno, ya estuvo bueno. Voy a ir a la tienda porque tenemos que ir a comprar comida y si no, aquí me la voy a pasar chismeándoles a ustedes. So, ahorita que venga de la tienda, espero enseñarles lo que compré para la semana. Okay, I just got back from the grocery store and I was trying to lay everything out, like breakfast, lunch ideas, dinner ideas, but I'm just gonna go through it really quickly. Got potatoes, brown eggs. I like the brown eggs way better than I like the white eggs, and I feel like prices went down a little bit. I also got bread. Kevin likes sourdough. I like sourdough too, but I try to get a healthier option, and I've never had this one. This is the Nature Harvest Healthy Habits White with Whole Grain. It's only 45 calories and it says it's keto friendly. So although I'm not keto, it just looked really fluffy and good. So I'm gonna be having that. I got some aguacate so I can do avocado toast with a fried egg. So I'm looking forward to that. And then I just got another almond milk, unsweetened vanilla. It's usually what I get. I like oat milk too, but it is higher in calories. Also got bacon. I wanted to get turkey bacon and regular bacon. Of course, we love regular bacon more so than turkey bacon. However, it is lower in calories and they didn't have center cut, so I settled for the thick cut. Got some bananas to put in my cereal or in my oatmeal. I wanted to get strawberries, but they were completely out, so I'm gonna have to maybe go to a different grocery store for that. But I got this box of Special K fruit and yogurt. Also got coffee. I plan on mixing this with the Premier Protein caramel shakes. And this is really not my favorite, but they only had a couple options, so this is what I got. I got the carb balanced tortillas for the morning, or tacos or burritos, anything like that. And then I just got Kevin the regular ones. Let me show you what else I got for lunch because everything is laid out on the table. Okay, I figured I would just lay everything out on this table since I already had everything out. But as far as snacks, this is one of my favorite snacks. It's the Smart Food Flaming Hot White Cheddar Popcorn. This is really good because it's only 60 calories per cup. Super good. I love hot Cheetos, but if I really have that hot Cheeto craving and I want something that's lower calorie, this is a really good option. And then I also got some pretzels for this hummus that I've never had before. It's a honey jalapeno hummus made with extra virgin olive oil, blah, blah, blah. It looked really good, so hopefully it's good. Also got these Laughing Cows for the pretzels, and I have salami in the fridge, so I can have those. I think I'm gonna be making like a tortellini 3-cheese soup. So I got everything for that. I needed chicken broth, I needed spinach, and there's other things here like tomatoes and stuff like that that I needed. So it's like a creamy tortellini 3-cheese and Italian sausage soup. So maybe I'll make that tomorrow. Also got these two salads. They didn't really have very many options for salads, and I'm not really a barbecue kind of person, but I got the Kicking Barbecue Ranch salad kit, and then I also got the Southwest Fiesta salad kit. I figured I could just maybe make some chicken and just throw some chicken in there, or I can use it in a wrap. These are so freaking good for your salads. They're just red peppers. I usually get like the Cobb salad at Chick-fil-A, and they put these on and they're so freaking good. It gives it just like a little kick. But it says you can eat it with a salad, a wrap, or just vegetables. They're really, really good. I got ground beef, and then I also got just turkey and honey ham for sandwiches. So I got pepper jack cheese for that. And then I also just got butter. I usually get Kerrygold, but it was a little bit more expensive this time, so I just settled for this one. Cheese. Never thought I would be the girl who would buy Taco Bell sauce, but this is actually my first time and I saw it there. I see it there every time, but I never pick it up. I don't know what I'm gonna put this on yet. Maybe we'll see. But I don't even remember if I like the mild or the hot. So yeah, we're gonna have that in the fridge or pantry. I don't even know where this goes, but Italian sausage is gonna be for the tortellini soup. I got onion and also diced tomatoes for the tortellini soup. And then last but not least, I got this Halo Top ice cream. It just sounded good. It's a blueberry crumble. And yeah, only 330 calories for this whole thing. I'll probably eat it in maybe 2 sittings so I don't sit and eat the whole thing. But yeah, that's pretty much everything that I got. Okay, I gotta put all this away, but I wanna show you who is squeaking in the background of my videos. Bella? Why is the camera detecting it as an infant? That is so funny. Bella, I'm recording. I don't get it, Mom. Okay, I'm gonna make me a sandwich because I am starving at this point. I'm gonna try the new bread. I just got the Nature's Harvest Healthy Habits 45 calories, and let me look at it because it kind of looks like white bread. I love like the soft fluffy white bread. It is so good. Ooh, it actually kind of looks like it, but it's it says white with whole wheat grain. I don't know, but 45 calories per slice. So I'm gonna probably toast that up. Put a little bit of some turkey breast and a little bit of honey ham. And I was looking for shredded lettuce because I'm lazy and I don't want to chop it up myself, but they were completely out. So we're going to be using some regular like salad for my sandwich. Lettuce is lettuce and it's got other veggies in there, so we're all good. Pepper jack cheese because it's my favorite cheese. It's the only way to go. And then I'm gonna use the spicy mayo by Best Foods. It's pretty good. It's what, 40 calories per tablespoon. It's pretty good, but otherwise I also got the light one. I can't decide which one I want. And then just mustard. So I'm gonna make that and then probably have it with a side of jalapeno chips because I went to Costco the other day and they had the giant Miss Vicky's bag for like $6.99 or $7.99. So I grabbed those for sandwiches. I'm gonna eat my sandwich with the Miss Vicky's chips. They are so freaking good, the jalapeno ones. So good. Do you hear that crunch? I'm gonna have it with my favorito Snapple. It's the peach Snapple zero sugar. These are so freaking amazing. I could drink them like gallons of it. I obviously don't, but what I'm saying is it's like my favorite tea of all time. Let me know what your favorite Snapple tea is. Hands down, by the way, for me, it's peach tea. I think they have like the kiwi strawberry and I can't remember what other ones they have because it doesn't matter. This is the only relevant one, okay? I just took my vitamin, which by the way, I just got these. Kevin actually ordered some because I was complaining that my metabolism is it just sucks. And it really does just suck. I feel like as we get older, our metabolism just slows down, and now we got to worry about taking our vitamins, and we got to worry about our metabolism. So he got these online, and I've never seen these at like Walmart or Target. I don't know if maybe I wasn't looking for them before or what, but like I swear I've never seen them before. These are like the 1-a-day tablets, but they're the active metabolism ones. I didn't even know they had these. I didn't even know these existed. But it comes with like pretty much every vitamin that you probably need. C, D, B12, magnesium, all of that. However, it does contain, it's supposed to give you more energy as well. Aside from just like your metabolism, it's supposed to give you more energy. And it also has 120 milligrams of caffeine, which is equivalent to a cup of coffee. So just so you know, if you're sensitive to caffeine, just make sure that you watch your caffeine intake. So I cannot drink too much caffeine or I will start getting shaky. So I'm probably only having like 1 cup of coffee today and this, and it's probably all the caffeine that I'm having. Well, I already had coffee this morning. And technically I'm having this tea, but I don't think these really have much caffeine. If you've used this before, let me know how you like it. I'm really hoping that it really gives me obviously my vitamins, that extra boost of energy that I need, and hopefully it works out. Say hello to the camera. Say hi, we're here. Want to say hello? No. Okay, she said hello. I don't know if I've shared with you guys Bella's favorite like wet food. We like to get her the Fresh Pet food that comes in the roll. That's her favorite. She does not like canned like wet food or anything like that. She's pretty picky, right mama? Yeah, so the brand is called Fresh Pet. I usually get it at Albertsons. I know Target carries it too, but Target's always out. I don't know why they're always out of it. It's rare when they actually have it in stock. I think this one's her favorite, the multi-protein one. So this one's chicken, beef, egg, salmon, recipe with sweet potatoes and garden vegetables. So this is what it looks like. These are like $9.99. I swear they went up in price. I don't know if they were $7.99. I want to say they were $7.99 before, unless I'm mistaken, but this one's her favorite one. And then next to that one, she really likes this like chunky beef one. This one's pretty similar with carrots, peas, and brown rice. And this one's her least favorite, but I haven't gotten her the chicken one in a while. I usually get her 2 of the multi-protein ones instead. But I got her the chicken one today, so we'll see. But yeah, $9.99 for each one. I guess it's worth it because it's better for her, right? So like she's just staring at me right now. It's better for her, so it's worth it. And she doesn't like the can, like the regular canned food. We've tried several different ones in a can, even like the Blue Buffalo ones, and she does not like it. So it is today.
Good for me.
I had dinner. It was something super simple, and now we're gonna be having a dessert. I picked up these Yasso dipped Greek yogurt bars, which are actually pretty good. It was a 4-pack and I only have 1 left. It's basically a Greek yogurt bar, vanilla chocolate crunch, only 140 calories. They're kind of small, but it's like perfect for dessert. So I'm gonna have that, continue watching The Good Place because I'm obsessed with the show right now. And yeah, other than that, that's gonna be it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.